Have you noticed it's getting harder to get out of a chair? Maybe walking upstairs leaves your legs feeling heavier than usual. It's subtle at first. Then one day, you realize you're moving slower, sitting longer, and standing up less. This isn't just getting older, this is your body sending a warning. It's called muscle atrophy, and it sneaks in quietly. You don't feel it happening at first, but one fall, one trip to the hospital, and your life changes. It's not about age, it's about awareness. But here's the good news, muscle loss is not inevitable. You can fight back, and today, I'm going to show you how. We'll uncover 6 powerful foods that help rebuild strength in your legs, enhance your balance, and restore your confidence, all through smart nutrition. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for weekly health tips, and let us know in the comments, have you felt a change in your leg strength lately? Let's get started. The truth about leg weakness. Here is something most people don't realize. Your legs are often the first to weaken. As muscle mass declines, so does balance, coordination, and reaction time. That means you're more vulnerable to falls, and falls are the #1 cause of injury among older adults. The scary part, it happens gradually, often without any pain. You just begin to feel more tired. Your legs don't support you like they used to. And slowly, your independence starts to fade. But there's a powerful tool you already have, your food. While exercise is critical, your body can't build or maintain muscle without the right nutrients. Let's begin with the first superfood that can literally power your every step. Food number 1, sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a game changer. Why? Because they provide the slow-burning energy your muscles need to stay active all day. Unlike white bread or sugary snacks that spike your blood sugar and crash your energy, sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbs. That means a steady release of fuel to your muscles, helping you avoid that mid-afternoon slump or feeling wiped out after simple tasks. But that's just the beginning. Sweet potatoes are packed with vitamin A, an antioxidant that helps repair micro tears in your muscles, which are a normal part of movement and exercise. As we age, that repair process slows down, leading to soreness and muscle stiffness. Sweet potatoes help speed it up again. They're also a fantastic source of potassium, which is critical for muscle contractions. Low potassium can lead to cramps, weakness, and even balance issues. Most people don't get nearly enough, and it shows in the way their legs tire out so quickly. And one more thing, sweet potatoes support gut health thanks to their fiber content. When your digestion is working well, your body absorbs nutrients better, meaning your muscles get what they need to stay strong. How to eat them? Try baking, mashing, or slicing them into fries. Add them to soups or even smoothies. They're delicious, versatile, and one of the easiest upgrades to your daily meals. Food number 2, oats. Now, let's talk about one of the most underestimated breakfast choices, oats. They may seem plain, but oats are rich in slow-digesting carbs and plant-based protein, a one-two punch for muscle support. When you eat oats in the morning, they give you a slow, steady release of energy and no spikes, no crashes. That means your legs stay fueled longer, even during long walks or physical tasks. And get this, oats also contain iron, which helps deliver oxygen to your muscles. If your legs feel weak or heavy during simple activities, it might be because your muscles aren't getting the oxygen they need. Oats can help fix that. They're also a good source of magnesium, a critical mineral that helps prevent leg cramps and that awful, heavy leg feeling. Ever woken up in the middle of the night with a painful cramp? That's often your body screaming for magnesium. Oats are a simple, all-natural fix. How to eat them? I don't just think porridge. You can add oats to smoothies, bake them into bars, sprinkle them on yogurt, or make overnight oats with nuts and berries. They're easy to prepare and incredibly effective for keeping your legs strong and energized. Food number 3, avocados. Next up, the creamy powerhouse, avocados. Most people think of protein when it comes to muscle health, but your muscles also need healthy fats to stay flexible and resilient, and avocados are packed with some of the best fats on the planet. Avocados are rich in monounsaturated fats that reduce inflammation, a silent destroyer of muscle over time. Inflammation makes your joints stiff, your movements painful, and recovery slow. Avocados help soothe that inflammation, keeping your legs feeling more limber and less achy. They're also one of the richest natural sources of potassium, even more than bananas. This keeps your muscles contracting properly and helps you avoid painful cramps and sudden weakness. But perhaps most importantly, avocados contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage. It supports recovery and shields your muscles from oxidative stress, something that naturally increases as we age. And let's not forget circulation. Healthy fats in avocados support heart health and improve blood flow, meaning more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to your leg muscles. How to eat them? Spread avocado on toast, mash into guacamole, toss into a salad, or blend into smoothies. They're easy to love and easier to use. Let's pause and reflect. Sweet potatoes give you endurance, oats fuel your muscles and help repair them, and avocados reduce inflammation and keep your muscles supple and cramp-free. That's just the beginning, but even if you only added these 3 to your routine consistently, you'd start to feel a difference. More energy in your legs, less soreness, better balance, and a greater sense of confidence when you move. And remember, it's not about eating these once in a while, it's about consistency. But we're not done yet. Let us explore 3 more leg-saving superfoods that might already be in your kitchen, ones that will surprise you with their power. Food number 4. Berries. Let's move on to the 4th powerhouse food, berries. Now listen, aging is inevitable, but losing muscle power is not. Every single day, your muscles face a silent enemy, oxidative stress. You don't see it, but you feel it. That stiffness in your joints, the soreness after mild activity, that creeping loss of strength, all signs that your muscles are under attack from the inside. This is where berries step in. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, they aren't just tasty treats, they're natural defenders of your muscle health. Packed with antioxidants, berries fight the free radicals responsible for breaking down muscle fibers and slowing your recovery. When you were younger, your body handled this stress better. But with age, your defense system needs reinforcements. Berries provide just that, helping your muscles recover faster, feel less stiff, and stay stronger longer. And here is something many people don't know: inflammation is an even bigger threat than muscle loss. It wears away at your mobility, making every step harder, every joint stiffer. Chronic inflammation can eventually lead to arthritis and permanent muscle loss. Berries are one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory foods. They soothe the joints, improve flexibility, and keep your legs moving smoothly. And yes, they're also rich in vitamin C, which is essential not just for immunity, but for collagen production. Your tendons, joints, and muscles need collagen to stay strong and flexible, but collagen naturally declines with age. Berries help restore that balance, keeping your muscles tighter, your joints smoother, and your recovery time shorter. So how do you eat more berries? Easy. Add them to your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend them into a smoothie. Snack on them fresh, or make a quick berry compote as a natural dessert topping. But remember, consistency is everything. A handful a day keeps inflammation away. And as a bonus, berries even support brain function. That's right, better memory, better focus, better coordination. So you're not just keeping your legs strong, you're keeping your mind sharp too. Food number 5. Salmon. Now let's talk about a food that's both delicious and powerful: salmon. If you want to maintain strong legs, reduce joint pain, and rebuild muscle, this is one of the best foods you can eat. First, salmon is loaded with high-quality protein, exactly what your body needs to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. Remember, every step you take causes tiny tears in your muscles. When you're young, your body rebuilds them fast. As you age, that process slows down, unless you give it the right fuel. Salmon is that fuel, but salmon's real superpower. It's omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are anti-inflammatory powerhouses. They fight off the stiffness, swelling, and pain that often make movement harder as we age. If your knees ache, your legs feel heavy, or even short walks feel exhausting, omega-3 South can make a massive difference. They also improve blood flow, making sure your leg muscles get the oxygen and nutrients they need to perform. Poor circulation can make your legs feel tired and slow. Better circulation means more energy, faster healing, and greater endurance. Salmon also helps your nervous system. Ever notice slower reflexes or unsteady steps? That's because nerve function declines with age. Omega-3 South support healthy nerve signals, so your legs stay responsive and balanced. And let's not forget, Salmon is rich in B vitamins, especially B12. This vitamin helps convert food into energy. If you're low on B12, you'll feel weak and fatigued, especially in your legs. Salmon restores that energy, helping you move farther, longer, and with less effort. And because salmon also supports heart health, it helps maintain the circulation your legs need to stay strong. How often should you eat it? Just 2 to 3 servings a week can do wonders. Try grilled salmon. Add it to salads, or even use canned salmon for a quick meal with olive oil and herbs. Each bite strengthens your muscles, reduces inflammation, and powers your legs to move with confidence. Food number 6, eggs. And finally, let's talk about one of the most affordable, versatile, and powerful foods for leg strength: eggs. Eggs are more than a breakfast staple. They are a complete protein source containing all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to rebuild and repair muscle. As you age, you naturally lose muscle mass. This makes your legs feel weaker, your balance unsteady, and everyday movements harder. But when you fuel your body with complete proteins like eggs, you help slow or even reverse that decline. Eggs are also rich in vitamin D, which supports both bone and muscle strength. Low vitamin D levels are directly linked to weaker muscles and higher fall risk. And the scary part, many people don't even know they're deficient. 1 or 2 eggs a day can help keep your legs strong and your bones resilient. But that's not all. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient that's rarely talked about but vital for nerve-muscle communication. Every time you take a step, lift your leg, or shift your weight, your brain sends a signal to your muscles. Choline keeps that signal strong and fast, helping you maintain balance and coordination, especially on uneven ground or in low-light situations. Plus, eggs have antioxidants, B vitamins, and healthy fats that reduce inflammation, boost energy, and protect muscle cells. How can you eat them? Boiled, scrambled, poached, or as part of an omelet with vegetables? There are countless ways. The key again, consistency. Eating eggs regularly provides your body with the building blocks it needs to stay strong, mobile, and pain-free. Wrap up and final call to action, so let's wrap it up. If you want to keep your legs strong, balanced, and pain-free as you age, it takes more than just movement. It takes targeted nutrition, and these 6 foods are the perfect place to start. Sweet potatoes for endurance and recovery, oats for lasting energy and muscle repair, avocados for anti-inflammatory fats and nerve support, berries for antioxidant protection and collagen production, salmon for high-quality protein, circulation, and omega-3 South eggs for complete protein, vitamin D, and nervous system health. Together, they don't just support your legs, they support your independence, your energy, and your quality of life. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which of these foods do you already eat regularly? Which one surprised you the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. And stay tuned, our next episode dives into the top leg strengthening exercises you can do right at home, no equipment needed. Thanks for watching, and here's to stronger, healthier legs for life.